Good morning, everybody. Again, today I will be discussing about some point in C. Today I will be discussing about pointers in C. Now, how what if I write this thing statement int x equal to 5? What actually is happening? Operating system is allocating 4 byte of memory in the RAM, and x is pointing to that, and value of 5 is written there, and x is pointing to that. Now if I want to access the value of x through the pointer, now what happen if I want to access the value of this 4 byte is allocated in RAM. Now I told you before, RAM is byte accessible. Okay, each and every byte of a RAM can be accessed by its address. Now that address, by that address I can access the value in that particular byte. Okay, now I can access the value of x by directly x print x, or I can access the value of x as give me the value that is there at that particular byte location of the RAM. Okay, suppose this is a whole screen is a RAM. Suppose this point is 346766. The address of this point is 346766. Give me the value that is there at 346766. By that way also I can get the value of x. Okay, and ampersand x. Previously also many times I had used the scanf ampersand x. Ampersand nothing but the address of that byte location. Okay, int x, operating system is allocating 4 byte. Address of the byte location is sent to scanf as an argument. Function I will do later, but address of that allocation byte location is scanf. Okay. Now if I want to have a variable which will going to point to, which will going to contain the address of x. Suppose the address of x is 346766. I want to have a variable which will another location, another a variable which is going to contain the address of x. Obviously if I give the address of want to contain the address of x in a particular variable, another RAM location will be allocated. So that RAM location will be identified by y, and the value that will be there is the address of x. Okay, to do that, now to do that I need to declare the variable as star y. Int x normal variable, star y means a pointer to a integer. Int star y means pointer to an integer. Okay, now what is the byte of this variable? What is the byte length of this variable? 4 byte, 2 byte, or what? Pointer to any variable, integer pointer or whatever pointer, char pointer is always in this machine, it will be 8 bytes. Previously also the size of operator I have told you. Previously the size of operator I have told you. This is size of operator. Size of operator pointer variable will always give a constant of 8 bytes. Okay, because this particular location, suppose the moment I am doing int x, x can be operating system allocates RAM, allocates 4 byte in RAM, so it can be, suppose this is a RAM, it can be here, it can be here, it can be here, it can be here, anywhere it can be. So to maybe to access the value here, first position I have to give 0000001. Suppose this is the first position 001. Suppose this is 1 to 100. first location is 001, last location will be 100. I always have to give the I cannot assume that it will always be 1. It can be 50, it can be 60, it can be 100 also, depending upon the operating system. So I have to allocate the maximum length, maximum bytes that will be required to access any part of the RAM, which in this machine is 8 bytes. Last time I executed this thing, we always got 8 bytes GCC. Pointer to character 8, pointer to short also 8, pointer to long also 8. It will always be a constant of 8 bytes. Okay, constant in this machine, not a constant, it will always be of 8 byte, length of 8 byte, always be 8 byte in this machine, because byte location is always, if it is integer, then also byte will be number. Even if it is a number, then also a byte will be number. If it is a decimal value, then also the byte location will be a number. So pointer variable will always be a number pointing to that particular byte location, and it will always be same for a machine or operating system. Now y contain the address of x. Similarly, I can have another variable z which will going to contain the address of y. Suppose the address of y is 346776. I can have z 346776. Okay, and how I will declaring z star star z. Y is a pointer to an integer, z is a pointer to a to an integer, so star star. Okay, now I can directly access the value of x as print x. If I don't want to do that, I can access the value of x by y, right? Star y, like the value variable this star. If I give star y, I can get value of x. What actually I am doing, the moment star y, I am telling the computer to get me the value which is in the address location which is contained in y. Address location contained in y is this, which is this, and value that is contained in that address location is 5. So star y give me 5. Similarly, I can access x by z. How? Star star z. Okay, it means give me the value which is there in the address location which is contained in z, and value of z is address location of address location of y. So star z means I will get the address location of y. Again a star I will get star z. Suppose if I do star z, I will get the value that is contained in y, because z contains the address of x. So star z means the value that is contained in y, and again a star, the value that is contained in the address location in y. Value that is in the address location that is there in y. So star y or star star z will give me the value of y. Let's do it by an example. value is 5. Scanf, the address location of x I am sending to scanf. In that address location I am getting 5. Okay, I have put 5. So y equal to ampersand of x, address of x. Address of x is assigned to y. After that z equal to ampersand y. The address of y is also assigned to z. Okay. Now I am accessing the value of x directly, x into 5, 25. Now I am accessing the value of x through y, star y bracket star multiplied by 5, 25. Now I am accessing the value of x through z, star multiplied by 5, 25. Even if I don't give this bracket, then also this will execute, but things will not be clear. And suppose some other multiplication is here, suppose 3 into, then it may becomes confusing. Okay, so always give a bracket, it will be easier to understand. So again, if I repeat, the moment I am doing star z means the value that is contained in the address location which is there in z. Again a star means value that is contained in the address location of y, because star y, the value that is contained in the address location in z, which is y, the address of x, star then again a star will give me the value that is there in the address location of x, address location that is pointed by y. Thank you. If you like this video, then please subscribe.